So we're out again with the Tamiya 1/10 scale Mk.II Escort. Same location, but just a bit further up to the jumps. Not sure I'm going to send it flying through the air, but we'll get a bit of air and see how it looks. Come back! Come back! Oh! Oh well, we'll go get that in a second. But yeah, great fun. This Tamiya Escort Mk.II. Brilliant fun, really good car. A lot of work to build, but well worth the effort. As always, if you enjoyed this video, give us a like, hit that subscribe, don't forget the bell icon so you get future notifications, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers!